Hi, welcome back to my second day of exploration with the collage. And I'm going to basically start, I've got all my supplies out here, my paints, my props, as far as all the brushes I'm going to use, and the rollers, and colored pencils, and all the things that I'm planning on possibly using during this time. And all of my collage papers that I worked on, which I had shown you before. I've got all of these here now. So what I plan to do is work on two pieces at once, this long piece, and this one is 24 by 24. So I'm working on these two pieces simultaneously, and what I'm going to do is just start and film it so that I'm not talking and just let you see the process as it goes. I think that I'll probably run it at a little faster speed, and hopefully you can gain some knowledge or courage to do it on your own, whatever. So let's see how it goes. So I'm done collaging. That was fun. It was extremely satisfying to rip the papers and put them down where I felt they should go. I think that when I look at some of the composition, I kind of like what's happening here. The next thing I'm going to do after these dry is get my acrylic paints out, start to patch in areas. I might even completely cover over some of the papers. I don't know. This is where the intuitiveness really kicks in, and I just need to lose myself in the design and the color and the feeling, and keeping in my mind the whole time the cabin and all the emotions that go into it, the feelings I have, colors in my mind when I think of it. So it's kind of exciting. So that was the end of this phase, and then I'll get ready and film the next phase.